Hello and welcome to Ideas in Trends. Today we will show you more than 100 designs of mandala wall art decor. Here is a question that what is a mandala? If ever you have studied spiritual, you have likely encountered a mandala which is Sanskrit for circle or discoid object in a geometric design that holds a great deal of symbolism in Hindu and Buddhist cultures. Mandalas are believed to represent different aspects of the universe, are used as instruments of meditation and symbols of prayer, most notably in China, Japan, and Tibet. In their most basic form, mandalas are circles contained within a square and arranged into sections that are all organized around a single central point. They are typically produced on paper or cloth, drawn on a surface with threads, fashioned in bronze or built in stone. While extraordinary as a stand-alone work of art, mandalas hold symbolic and meditative meaning beyond their vibrant appearance. A mandala is a spiritual and ritual symbol in Asian countries. It can be understood in two different ways: externally as a visual representation of the universe, or internally as a guide for several practices that take place in many Asian traditions, including meditations. In Hinduism and Buddhism, the belief is that by entering the mandala and proceeding towards its center, you are guided through the cosmic process of transforming the universe from one of the suffering into one of joy and happiness. Basically, there are various types of mandalas found in different cultures and used for a multitude of purposes, both artistically and spiritually. Here I will describe three types of mandalas and how they are used. Teaching mandalas. Teaching mandalas are symbolic in each shape, line, and color represents a different aspect of a philosophical religious system. The student creates his or her own mandala based on principles of design and construction, projecting a visual symbolization of everything they have learned. Teaching mandalas serve as colorful mental map for their creators. Number 2. Healing mandala. Healing mandalas are more intuitive than teaching mandalas, and they are made for the purpose of meditation. Healing mandalas are intended to deliver wisdom, evoke feelings of calm, and channel focus and concentration. The third type is Zen mandalas. Buddhist monks and cultures have long used mandalas as a traditional religious element. These intricate designs are a variety of symbols made from colored sand that represent the impermanence of human life. Within their intricate circular pattern, you can find common symbols throughout mandalas. Traditionally, they include the presence of Buddha's mind in an abstract form, most commonly represented as a wheel, tree, flower, or jewel. The center is a dot, which is a symbol considered free of dimension. It is interpreted as the starting point, the beginning of contemplation and devotion to the divine. From there, the dot is surrounded by lines and geometric patterns that symbolize the universe, encompassed by the outer circle, which represents the cyclical nature of life. Some common symbols within the mandala include wheel with 8 spokes, bell, triangle, lotus flower, sun. The question is that how mandalas are used. Mandalas are used for a variety of religious traditions, meditations, and modern contexts. The tradition Tibetan mandalas found in Buddhism depicts the enlightened state of Buddha thought. Sand art patterns are formed on the ground using metal and a small tube to create the exact texture and organizing the grains. In our video, we are showing the basic wall art decoration created with the help of mandalas. People use them to decorate their rooms and bedrooms, drawing rooms, and the vanities they want to decor. So they are available in Amazon and other marketplaces, online also, in the form of stickers, food, or other forms that you can purchase and apply on your homes and wherever you want to decor. If you like any of the design of mandalas out of our video, then comment your opinion and also subscribe our channel and share the video. Thank you.